I've casted. I feel good actually. I really feel good. And then since everyone is voting, I myself has started to vote, not for myself but for the people of Garo Hills. Yeah, very much actually. Since we have already made people aware about their rights, and then the dominance by the other side. So if the people can come out, from their slumber about how it has been doing for a very very long time, and moreover, we try to make the best for the people by making them aware what is happening around, and then about the developmental things also, and about the situation that is going on within India. Yeah, I think so. I think there people enthusiastic right now coming to boat is maybe they really need a change. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out to boat right now. And then moreover, I didn't see much voters turning out, especially for this Lok Sabha election. But this times, it seems like people are more eager and then enthusiastic for the voting.
And you believe this high turnout is favorable for your candidature?
If God willing. Maybe, maybe, maybe not. You can't say because, but I believe in him actually. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out and then trying to reveal what really they want to do.